Hey there, everybody. So there's been a little bit of a question about how to create threads in discussion boards. So I'm going to show you that really quick. If you go into our class, and I'm going to switch to student mode, and then you go over here, you can access the discussion board in two ways. You can either go into coursework, and then whatever the virtual week it is, click on that. And then you can see there's a hyperlink that will take you to the discussion board. The other way that you can access the discussion board even more quickly is just to go over to discussion board and you'll see the discussion board of the week. So when you get here, what you're going to do is click on the title of the discussion board. And then up here, you're going to see create a thread. And then just type in, I'm going to type testing, and then this is a test, and then hit submit. And then you can see that I've added to the thread here. So that is how you create a discussion board.